Hey, so we are here at Pinagbubong Elementary Schools where we started our project, the desks and the chairs projects here for the elementary school. We're just so happy to report that we have delivered the 120 chairs. Now you might be thinking, why are they plastic? Because we're supposed to build or make those chairs, wooden chairs. Well, the students, the teachers, the parents requested that we just buy the plastic ones for two reasons. First is that there's a strict law about logging here, about wood, so it's kind of difficult to get woods to make those chairs, because we want to use woods that are very strong, that will last longer, and so that's kind of hard to do, and we have to wait a little while to even get them, and it'll be a little bit more expensive. So second is plastic. It won't rip the uniforms of the students, and so they're very happy to see these plastic chairs here today. Our initial batch 120, and so tomorrow we'll be buying the materials to buy for the tables that will pair these chairs. So there they are, there's your students. So we just want to thank you for being part of this project. Truly you're making a difference and impacting the learning of the students here. Having just these chairs and tables is very conducive to their learning. So thank you again, and God bless. We look forward to reporting more to you once you start working on those tables. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye.